Hi, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to use the safety bar squat. Now the key behind this is it really helps people get super strong without worrying about the barbell being on their back or being on their front, so they can start to see what it feels like to have the challenging weights that they need to help them improve their sort of squats and get them stronger and get results very faster. So what we're going to do is make sure that all is set up correctly. So you don't want to be making sure that your neck is on the Velcro. So we make sure the Velcro part is facing up, and also the Velcros here are facing on the outside, because you don't want it sort of rubbing when you're getting inside. So we go underneath into there, and we stand up with the bar. Now what you'll start to recognize with this is your body will start to adjust its position in order for you to squat. Because a lot of times people will squat and end up wanting to lean forward, and it will quickly correct your position as you squat. It's nice and simple for me to just demonstrate this because it's not that complicated. Now if you have even more, if you want to improve the different areas that you target, you may want to have your heels raised using the plates or the wedges that can target more of your quads. But other than that, or if you're lacking, if your ankle mobility is really poor, you can use the heel, using the plates to increase your heels, or using the wedges to help with the range of motion. If you have any questions, please feel free to drop me a DM at any time.